I will prove myself one day.
Leo was a poor student, but he had a big dream hidden in his heart.
I love learning. Even with fewer things, Leo never stopped believing in himself. You have a special talent. The teacher discovered something amazing about Leo. I want to make something useful.
Leo used his creativity to solve problems.
There, it works! I can do it.
Hard work made Leo stronger.
I've practiced every day. I'm ready now. Wow, he made this?
The students started respecting Leo.
Never stop trying.
You are the best brother.
Leo was never alone because his family supported him. This is my dream! The biggest challenge of Leo's life started.
He worked very hard. Everyone waited for the final result.
I made this with my hard work. Leo showed everyone that talent is not based on money.
This is a wonderful idea.
Everyone was surprised by Leo's intelligence. The neural mapping is revolutionary.
Simply brilliant. I hope my dream comes true.
Leo waited for the biggest moment of his life. The winner is Leo!
I won! I can't believe it! You are the winner. Wow, thank you!
The poor boy surprised the whole school with his success.
I can't believe I won! Thank you, everyone!
Leo's hard work finally gave him a reward.
We learned from you!
People stopped judging Leo by his old clothes. Your future is bright. Leo received a big education reward.
Wow, thank you! You're very welcome, Leo. Keep up the great work.
I am proud of you.
Thanks, Mom!
Let's go inside and celebrate. Leo's family felt proud of his achievement. We love you.
Love you too.
Your effort changed everything. Father knew that hard work created this success.
Thanks, Dad.
I'm so proud of you.
Everyone can learn. He's right.
I want to try! Me too! Let's do it!
Wonderful, Leo. Leo became an inspiration for others.
I want to do more.
Success did not stop Leo from growing.
Let's see what else we can discover. You never gave up.
Leo's journey proved that dreams can come true.
I will use it wisely.
The prize money helped Leo continue his education.
This school changed my life. We're so proud of you.
You'll always have a home here. Leo never forgot the place where his dream started.
Believe in yourself.
Leo learned that true success comes from hard work, kindness, and never giving up.
Hi everyone, moral of the story. Life is not only about money, prize, or success. The biggest treasure in life is hard work, kindness, and believing in yourself. Leo was a poor boy. He did not have expensive clothes, a big house. Some people looked at him and thought he could not do anything special, but they did not know the power inside his heart. Leo had a dream He loved learning and creating new things. Every day he worked hard. Sometimes he felt tired, but he never stopped trying. One day Leo joined a school competition. Many students had better things than him, but Leo had something special, determination. He used his mind and his creativity to make a wonderful project. When everyone saw his work, they were surprised. The same people who ignored him started respecting him. Leo won the competition, but the biggest prize was not trophy or the money. The biggest prize was the confidence he gained. His family taught him an important lesson. Money can make life easier, but it cannot make a person a great person. Is someone who work hard, stay humble and help other. Leo received a prize but did not become proud. He used his success to help other students and share his knowledge. This story teaches us that we should never judge anyone by their clothes, home or money. A person's real value is inside their heart. Every small dream can become big if we give it time and effort. Every difficult ride can become easy if we keep moving forward. Always believe in yourself. Work hard, be kind, and remember, a true champion is not the person who has the most money, but the person who never gives up. Thank you.